I think I stand out from the crowd with progressing and winning these competitions, how I work in the shop and the skills I actually have. Because of the hunger I've got for the job and how well I want to do and eventually, have my own shop.
Since Matthew started on the NVQ scheme, he's been such a keen learner and just willing to learn, and he's just coming up with new ideas and things himself, and it's just like no holding him back really. I think the key to Matthew's success is the fact that he is so keen and he wants to do better all the time.
Cambrian taught me how to be a better butcher, how to cut the meat and how to serve the customers in the shop. I found that I've always learnt better from hands-on experience, and in school I was never too good with the books, and this is how I best learn, I think.